Blithe assumptions about continued economic progress have been upended by geopolitical shocks and the global pandemic. Stability has been replaced with political discontent, growing uncertainty, and leadership anxiety. Though many organizations weren't prepared for these shocks, vigilant organizations are better at anticipating and responding by avoiding the pitfalls of wishful thinking, willful blindness, and short-term myopia. 4 drivers distinguish vigilant from vulnerable organizations and provide a roadmap to improve preparedness. Demonstrate strong leadership commitment. The leadership team should ponder these diagnostic questions. How much time do we spend exploring the future? Do we seek diverse inputs and encourage curiosity? What are the stories about vigilance we tell around here? Do we have a fully engaged board of directors? Vigilant leadership teams focus externally and nurture curiosity at all levels and across silos, opening their teams to long-game strategies. Invest more in foresight. Spotting weak signals should be a primary concern, but it's often overlooked. One solution is to create a central foresight unit for scanning and monitoring relevant future scenarios. Effective leaders insist on a disciplined search for investment opportunities. They orchestrate a flexible, real options portfolio of possible responses and engage regularly with ecosystem partners to scan more widely. Vigilant firms seek out anomalies as early warning signs. Improve strategy making. Strategy-making processes need to be flexible and adaptive by adopting outside-in and future-back approaches. Outside-in thinking starts with how the outside world is changing and not with the current strategy and status quo. Future-back thinking asks what it takes to win in the longer term and how to plant the necessary seeds now. Improve coordination and accountability. Receiving and interpreting weak signals should be supported by an organizational norm of sharing information readily across silos, promote open dialogue and true debate, and reward those who truly take ownership. This last driver is what it takes for the other 3 drivers to flourish. To learn more, please read Preparing Organizations for Greater Turbulence by Paul J. H. Schoemaker and George S. Day in California Management Review, Volume 63, Issue 4.